But look at this one. Look how pretty the puff is for this one. And you know, you can just, you know, there's I'm making a mess, but this is a lot of. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video and thank you for stopping by. And in today's video, I want to show you this beautiful by Estee Lauder. And this is what they call a dusting powder. So I'm going to insert some footage of me opening this, but I just want to show you how pretty and pink it is. This is beautiful. And you're supposed to like put some slits in it and put this little net over it to dust off the powder. And then here's the pad. As you can see, I've already started using it. So this is it. You put your hands in here and then you just apply the powder all over. So yeah, this is perfect at summertime. So I wanted to show you guys that. And then this is something I got from Amazon. This is Woods of Windsor. This is made in France, and this is also a dusting powder. And it comes with this little poof. And you go like this, and you can get some powder off of it, and you can apply this on your body. Usually I just apply it on my arms, my stomach, my breast area. And then here is some that you can use as like put in your purse. I do have some smaller ones. I think I will include them in the, let me just open these. I ordered these off Amazon. These are always nice to carry in your purse during summertime, for travel, or anytime. I usually try to have them year round. And this one is English Lavender by Yardley London. Yeah, and it's a dusting powder, except it doesn't have the, you know, you just take this off the top. Of course, this might be a little challenging because I'm on camera, isn't that how it, and then it has open and close here, so you can travel with this. Yeah, and I have that one, and I also ordered this one in pink. I love the rose. Rose is like one of my favorite smells. This one is English rose. So yeah, this one is. And then in this little container, I bought like a 4-pack. And this you can like put in your luggage or travel with. And this top comes off. I will put it in a plastic bag or something. And then you can put your powder down here. And you can see you have the dusting. You can use this to dust the powder on you. You just dip it in here. And you can apply it wherever you want to apply it on your body. So this is this. And I have that in a few different colors. Let me just show you. I ordered a 4-pack off Amazon. So here's the blue one. And then here's the blue puff. So like these powders, I can add some in here. I can add half in here or whatever amount so that I could use the dusting. This is like a little too big for your purse or whatever, but yeah, this is the blue one. And then here's the green one. It has a little dusting. And then here's the yellow one. Aren't they so cute? They're really cute. And so you just add whatever dusting powder. You can make yourself a label and put it at the bottom or right on here with a marker or something. And yeah, these last for a fairly long time. Let me just pause it 1 second and show you the small ones. Okay, and then here's like the small purse size. I got these from TJ Maxx, and they are, as you can see, small. But these are like my favorite brand. So yeah. So yeah, get you some dusting powder. What do they call it? Perfume talcum. Perfume talcum. It's really nice. It's so smooth. Look at that. It's just so smooth. It feels like, and it just blends in with your skin. And it just kind of gives you like a little minor glow. And you can put it wherever, you know, except on your hoo-ha or your private parts. I wouldn't recommend it there, but you know, like your elbows or behind your knees or wherever. And it just is kind of soothed, and it kind of looks like silk, as you guys can see. So, all right.
This one is my mom's, and I took it out of her room because, you know, I wanted to show you guys. And she's had this for many years, and this is Anais. It's made in France, and then this is what her puff looks like. And I tell you, she's must have had this for many, many years. And so that's how I got into the whole idea of body powder, by seeing my mom use it when I grow up. And so let me just show you what this looks like. I'll take a picture too, because I just don't want to spill it. And so as you can see in hers, it has like holes in it. And this one's plastic. And then you just, this is called like dusting powder, and you go like this and then you dust yourself with it. And so it's really fragrant, and it's something cooling on the skin or whatever. So I got that beautiful one, and then this one I usually buy it at TJ Maxx, but I haven't seen it in a while. So you know, where your girl had to go to good old Amazon. So let me just get into it. But they have, this one's got like the little powder. This one's called True Rose Dusting Powder, Woods or Windsor. Here you go. And this one is, what does this say? Naturally 98%. So, whoa, this one's got pretty shaken up. I don't know if you can see through the light, but it's kind of messy. Whoa. But here's the puff. Look how pretty it is. Hold on, let me just dust some of this powder off. Whoa. Girl, I hope I'm not messing with the mic like I normally do. Sorry about that if I did. I just noticed the box was on the mic, because your girl be forgetting. But look at this one. Look how pretty the puff is for this one. And you know, you can just, you know, there's I'm making a mess, but this is a lot of powder on this one. But I still just want to show you guys what it looks like. So this one, they didn't have it taped or something. You know, usually they have the puff taped. Like with this one, I had to cut the hole or whatever. I was supposed to puncture it, but I just kind of ripped it off. So
Peace out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.